why that it is appropriate to use the bar, the approved bar. And let's say for some reason you can't use it, I would suggest use 16 and use a cable shoe. Okay, cable you can. You know what you are doing. I wish I had a job, but you understand the electricians. You know, when you pick from the income or from the main switch, you look to the first one and you look to the second one, the third. It means that all the load on this one is on that link from the main switch to the first one. So the first link is carrying all the circuits. The second one will carry the rest. The third one will carry the rest. Do you understand? Yes. That is why it is appropriate to use the bar, the approved bar. And let's say for some reason you can't use it, I would suggest use 16 and use a cable shoe. Okay? Cable, you can design it yourself. You loop it together and put a cable shoe. So you get a U, you get 16 mm and then you insert it. But don't use 1.5 to do like that. Are you people enjoying the session? Yes. Okay. So these are the things, this is physical, it's not book again. What I see in the film, that is what I'm presenting to you. Some of you are brown. Don't be bored. I met you people 2 weeks ago, so don't be bored. And if I could identify some of you, I'll ask you not to ask questions because we're handling it. So the circuit neutral lines, I'll check it. The earth conductor, that's another place you split and put on the body. Or some of you, because you use the small distribution board, you do what? You cut the strands. Or you didn't divide it into no. Let's use cable shoes. You wear it, crimp it, and with a slim mouth, you put it and you terminate it. The other day, what was actually yes, it was the water region. So those of you who put it on the body, the person he connected it. But when I was doing my check, I was not getting continuity from the edge rod to that point. Why? Because of the pins. Yes. So the cable was just lying on the pins. So when you are connecting it to the body, make sure you scrape the pin so that it can have contact. And then do the test to make sure it's working well. Something I forgot to mention, the minimum number of waves. When I see people using that wireless two-way, electricians who use two-way are people who don't wish their clients prosperity. Yes. Because what it means is that you don't want your client to buy air conditioning. You don't want him to buy water heater. So when you shoot two-way, back off for light, back off for sockets. That's a good here. A whole year. So, in wiring there should always be spare, isn't it? There's something called growth factor, isn't it? So the moment you buy two-way, it means that growth factor, you can just throw it away. So the minimum way, we wish that there would have been 3-way, but there's no 3-way. So what is the minimum? 4. The carriage fitting and everything. That is how the original wireless looks like. But this fake one you use, is most of the time 2-way. Now, when you open it, now give me the inside. When you open this one, you see that the fuses have colors. Those of you who have seen the original wireless, the fuses have colors. White, blue. But the fake one, it doesn't have color. Both of them are 15-15. But the original one, you get 5 amps. You get 10, you get. Is it not so? Yeah. So why are you buying the fake one? You have stopped. So you know, there is nothing that says you should not use it. But me, if I've stopped using food so many years ago, the best thing is what? Breaker.
Please, if you want to visit the washroom, on my left, those at the back, you can use the corridor all the way to where my boss is standing. Before the staircase, you take your left. The washrooms are there. You have the female and the male washroom. Thank you very much.
Okay. So this is how it is. So let's use breakers, and it really helps. So Charlie, back to the check this. So I will check the CPC, the neutral bar, the condition of the end bar, the labeling of the circuit. So that one, the labeling. We all know we must or we should do labeling, and then allow us to give somebody not the table tight, or see the cable. I'll draw 3 points, or 2 points, 1 that one I will say not to do. Color code we mentioned, routing of cable, sometimes inside it should be properly arranged. You can use cable ties. And very important guys to connect about this thing. Some of you use cement paper. I don't know whether it is school or the basin. Is the basin there? You use cement paper. It is not right. We have something, is it the UV? It's like a foam, but you spray it. Yes. Use it to seal the holes in your distribution. It makes it look neat. When you put cement paper there, any smell, you know paper is combustible. Yes, it manage management time.
Normally the live conductors is the main switch. Most of the time they use cable ties to tie them together. But especially for 3-phase, I find it difficult. But there are different levels of power from the each. So when you tie them together and then one is, the insulation is very weak. You see that it will affect all the pieces. So most of the time, if it is allowed, they shouldn't use cable tie on the live conductor.
So it's a as we are talking about other things that will help our work. Okay. So after that distribution board I'm done. Then I come to sockets, I'll check physical condition of socket, the threads, I'll check the conduit box, I'll check live termination of the live, termination of neutral, termination of CPC. I'll check the allowances, okay. Give me the sockets. I'll go to socket, switch. I'll go to the switch room and do the same. The termination, the physical condition, the conduit box, the threads, and all that. Then I will come to pipes. Pipes is also an interesting area. So the size of conduit pipe, most of you get it. Condition of pipe connection, most of you don't put glue in your junction. So what it means is that when other artisans are working, with a slight push, then it will come on. And mason, or people pass again, haven't you seen some before? So, sorry for using the word in but so that's why we need to do what? That's why we need to do. Glue our joints so that they are firm. So that at least if anybody is spoiling it, you look at your shed, because when you don't glue, the least thing, again, they make you. So, number one, glue your joints. Then the bends, we all know that you don't do more than 290-degree turn, isn't it? One pipe, you turn one, you turn two, it's fine. If you want a third one, you have to put a junction box. I mean, you all know that. Okay, good. Then, hey, why are you people always buying 4-way? You don't buy 3-way, you don't buy 2-way, you don't buy 1-way. Do you know why? See, if today we set a standard that we are going to use speaker cable to do our house wire, you know the amount of speaker cables we get for that. It is because people are not buying it. We are not buying it, that is why it's not about it is there, but they are not plenty. Me when I do my project, you plan it and you use 3-way minutes. You use 2-way, you use 1-way. But all of you, just because you don't want to plan, so you better buy 4-way. So even at the end, you better use 1 and leave the rest. 2-way, you use 2, leave the rest. So when you do that, it means that you haven't planned. Plan your jobs well and use
that's your allowance.
The other one is circular box covers. I don't understand. The trend you see in the circular box is simple. It is trend. That trend, there they go. Screw. The screw, and what we call. No, it has to come with cover. Now, when you are doing full surface, the surface one, I don't have a problem. But the person who brought half module to Ghana will have to go for him. There is nothing like half modules. It's either full modules or surface. There's nothing like half modules. So when you